Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify Magic for brand design step by step clearly. To log into Shopify Magic for brand design, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Shopify website URL. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your registered email address associated with your Shopify account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your password, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Shopify dashboard. Next, locate the Apps section in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on Apps to view available applications. Search for Shopify Magic in the search bar if needed. When you find Shopify Magic, click on it to open the app. You may need to grant necessary permissions to allow access to your brand design features. Once you've granted permissions, you'll be all set to start designing your brand using Shopify Magic. Now you can explore the tools available and begin your creative process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.